guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm a Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do tutorials and reviews of affordable, inexpensive makeup from Walmart, drugstore, dollar store, you name it. I'll test it on my face. I'll pass the savings to you guys. In this video, I'm reviewing my recent purchase from Colourpop. I got this at Ulta, and this is the beautiful Baroque palette. It looks like this. You might have seen it. It's very cool toned, very much how I feel right now, cool tone. So I'm going to be doing this tutorial and review. I'm going to show you swatches and we'll talk what I think about it. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell down below so YouTube notifies you of every new video upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time, and also go live almost every Monday at 11 AM Pacific time, which is 7 in UK. So like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter. The links are down in the description box. So let's get right into this. It's time for the Russian word of the day. I'm not gonna do it every single video because sometimes I just forget, honestly. But for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it with the palette. The palette is Baroque, and I'm gonna give you Baroque style. So Baroque style is Stile Barocco. So it's pretty similar, actually. So I'm gonna put Russian spelling here. Russian spelling in Cyrillic and a pronunciation in English, so you can pronounce it along with me. Stile, which is style, Barocco. So it's Barocco, actually. Russian R's are pronounced hard. Stile Barocco. There you have it, your Russian word of the day. So recently I've been reviewing a lot more Colourpop items, and I didn't used to be attracted to it, and I never bought any palettes until I bought the child, and the child kind of sucked and it was a big disappointment, and I said I'll never do any Colourpop video again. Very dramatic, yeah. But now we're friends, now we're alright. So I actually like the formula now, and I got this one in Ulta. I think it was on sale, and I believe it was like 12 or something. So it goes for $14. It's already affordable. It has 9 shades. It's right now, actually, as I'm filming before New Year's, but this is coming out after, so I'm not sure if the sale's still going to be going on. This was 14, now it's 10.50 on Colourpop website. I'm looking. So yeah, it looks like this. First of all, let's appreciate the packaging. It looks very pretty. I usually not into flowers, but the color scheme, it's like very cool tone, very dramatic. I just love this. Even the shade names: Bougie, Ritzy, Babe or BB, Secret, Noble, Etiquette, Lounge, Grand, and Stunner. Yeah, it's like a very that, you know, very bougie. It looks very pretty. I thought it was mostly gray, but when you'll see the swatches, a lot of shades have actually kind of purple undertone to them. But on the high, it mostly looks gray, actually, except for these duochromes. The duochromes look more pinkish. So I'll roll you a little bit of footage, like I put the swatches on my arm, so you can see what it looked like. So these are the swatches, pretty nice and pigmented. I did not prime my arm. Again, very pretty palette, very simple, very easy to blend. Everything makes sense. The colors all in a gray kind of tones. Some of them are purplish, some of them has a little sparkle. Like this one is real pretty, it has all this kind of sparkles. It's real nice, so it gives you a little bit of something. It's a matte, but it just has a little sparkle. I've noticed a lot of brands have been doing this lately. The mattes come out in the sparkle. I'm telling you, Tati started the trend. I keep mentioning Tati Westbrook in my videos because this is like when I got Tati textured neutrals. They had that sequin shade, and I was like, wow, it's a matte, but it has glitter in it. So now everybody's got mattes with glitter in it. I'm just saying. I'm just kidding. I'm sure nobody invented it. So yeah, in the next video you'll see a little sped up version. I'm just gonna do a little voiceover. It's very simple look. but it's very effective. You can create a lot of dramatic looks. Like for a night out, it's perfect. For New Year's Eve, for any other events, because you can even do everyday look if you can just use brown and white, or like a grayish white. You know, it's gonna be a little more simple. So, which for the tutorial, I'll give you my final thoughts at the end. I'm using motor brushes, and I'm starting with a dark purplish grayish shade, just stamping it on the outer corner. Very nice shade, no problems with it, very pigmented, blends easily, no patchiness so far. I primed my eyelids already with Still Louise base, and now I'm gonna go for the lighter gray shade with a little sparkle in it. It's kind of like a sequin, like I mentioned, kind of like Tati Beauty texture. So this adds a little sparkle to it. I really love it. It's pretty much just a matte with a little glitter in it. Next I'm going for the white mixed with the next glittery shade. It's a matte with the same texture, matte with glitter, just to blend it out. Everything blends easily and blends well with one another. So I'm going back to the lighter shade and a small fluffy brush just to blend it into the brow bone. I did not want this look to get out of control too far out, more contained to the eye area. So I'm using Ofra Star Island highlighter for the brow bone, and for the little lash line I'm using another glittery shade. I kind of wanted to test almost all of them, if not all of them, just to see what they look like. This is a dark shade with a little glitter in it. I'm going back to the lighter shade. It's very pretty, like a light purplish gray. And I'm using Colourpop gel liner into the waterline. It's silver. It works really well with this palette. So overall, it turns out kind of a silvery look. The two shimmers there, two metallics, they're both duochrome, and they're both like a gray into the pink. One is darker and one is lighter. So I used both of them, one closer to the outer corner and one in the inner corner. I'm using another spectrum brush, more of like a pencil brush. And I'm using brown shade on the outer corner just to blend it all together. So this is a finished look. So this is a finished eye look, and I put some Lois Cosmetics glitter in the color Queen's Guard, the pink one. Just a little line because the shimmer is nice, but it's not like super metallic, and I wanted a little bit something to stand out. Yeah, this is a really nice eyeshadow palette. Very easy to blend, perfect. So as you can see in the video, it works really nicely. I'm not gonna lie, this is a second do, and it took me like 5 minutes to do the first look, not more than that. It was like bam bam, and I just didn't like it. I did full cut crease with some black, black, it's like a kind of purplish gray, and I put this whitish grayish color on the main lid to cut it, and then it was so flat. I'm like, I need some shimmer, so I took it off. The reason I mention it is just because how easy it is and how fast it is to go from look to look. It took me no time to do that cut crease, and I wiped it off and I did this look. So overall, it took me no time to film this video, so I highly recommend this. It really buttery, really soft, fall out a little bit. You know, I noticed with Colourpop shadows they do fall out, but I mean, it's eyeshadow, it's gonna fall out, so just do your eyes first. So yeah, highly recommend. Go get it, might be still on sale. So this is it for the video. Let me know, you guys, what you think. Did you pick it up? All the Colourpop, they all had it on sale. Very pretty, very simple, very basic, but very effective. So leave me a comment below, like this video, help with YouTube SEO. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time, and also go live almost every Monday at 11 AM Pacific time, which is 7 PM in UK. So like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter. The links are down in the description box. Huge thank you for all my patrons on my Patreon group. Thank you so much for supporting and joining my group. The link is in the description box if you guys are interested. We have WhatsApp chat, we have Facebook group, and we have a lot of fun in the chat and the live videos and all of that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!